Did it?
Yeah.
Did you take it?
Right, take the first one. Take the first one. Wait, go back. Go back.
Take it.
No, go back. Go back.
Yeah, he got it. He got it. Think you got it.
Hey, that's three. Yeah, the three that one for all three of us.
Hey, give me a phone.
No, you don't trust me.
Bro, trust, bro. Trust, bro.
You would beat it like
Alright, ready? Alright.
Thank you guys. It's nice meeting y'all.
Thank you guys. Nice to meet you.
Also meet you. Yes. We know them. Oh yeah. They're my friend's cousin. You know them? Like him. Like he's my friend's cousin. Yeah. Oh yeah, what TikTok? I'm okay with like any. Yeah, like what? Okay, yeah, on YouTube. Here, I'm gonna stand here. Oh, great, thank Just making friends with anybody. Wait.
We'll do it together. We'll do it all together.
It's like meeting you before. I know, I'm trying to find group one. Oh, I think I'll record it. It might quite think. Wait, I can like give you my own. If you just take your face off, I'm sorry. It's okay, no, it's fine. Don't worry. It should work. Okay, I hope so. Okay, yeah, there we go. Oh, yeah. What is this one? This is the one that goes like that. Oh, okay. Wait, I don't know. Oh, it's slow motion. Oh, I think that's the one I could find. I couldn't find the good.
It's slow. I don't know that fine.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Wait. So he's like done, and then like done. Oh, okay. Yeah. I'll give you. Yeah. It was just slow. Oh yeah.
Yeah, good? Okay.
Wait, so.
Turn up room? Can I back it up?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. That's it. Can you? It's staggering. Y'all should go in the front.
Oh, okay. Okay. I'm gonna do 10 seconds real quick. And yeah, you're gonna be ready? Okay. Yeah, you're gonna bring it all to us. I make Yes, sorry, I feel like I was covering it. Maybe we should switch spots to where there's more space. No! Yes, you can. I'm right here. It's like... We can make it conventional. I'm serious. Yo, yeah. We can put them up more. Yeah. It's a little space. Should I like back it up?
Are you live?
Perfect. Okay, let me just do the time. Yeah, I have it on 10.
I said I'm Wednesday. It's this one. You gotta do it.
We're gonna have to stagger. Yes! Was it good? Yeah. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, did she get a picture?
So sorry. I like don't know how to take pictures.
Can we take a photo of you guys? I don't know where. You want to be in the middle? You should be in the middle. You should be in the middle. In the middle? Just a little bit.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Is it true that you guys are cousins?
Yes.
Or is that just like internet?
Cousin. No,
You really are? Okay, all right. That was.
unfortunately. She's my baby cousin. She's younger than me.
So she's the baby.
She's the baby cousin.
Ah, all right. I was always curious about that, if that was true or not.
Whatever sound you guys want, we don't care.
You pick.
I don't know. They told me to pick the sound. But
Y'all told him it was y'all that told him.
on God, we did it. No. I bet. They said yeah. They said yeah.
Y'all should all get in it.
Make sure it's on my private account.
Michael, get in.
I don't know. Just like me and like some of my friends, we make funny videos.
It's a funny video.
Oh, velo.
Yeah. I don't even know what it's called. We made it with other people.
What dance are you doing?
In and out. Mine are because I'm singing.
Right?
If you guys are in college, we'll do it different.
Well, y'all are gonna do it, right?
Yeah, but like, you don't want to be the only one doing it. It's embarrassing when people go say we're the only one doing it. If you guys want to do it,
Okay, yeah, pick a different one.
I bet. Whatever you pick. I don't know.
We could do the any chance. Sorry, did you?
Yeah, I don't know.
We have one. Oh yeah. It's like this one. Just put on my face and it's this one. Like this one. Thank you. Sure, yeah. But if you're following me, if you're not following me, then no.
Uh-oh.
You want to follow me? Let me see.
I told you I'm following. Well, I'm following. Can I follow myself?
Yeah.
I don't want to see who's
It would be everyone. Yeah, see? No one
I feel like I'm following you too. I'm following you too.
Yeah.
There you go. Let him know, Alina. Yeah, you don't play that.
I don't be out of people's. I'll follow you guys back on TikTok, but no.
Wait, but what dance you guys want to do? Whatever you guys want.
We do the funny channel like this. Yeah, that one. Oh, wait, not that one. Sorry. Wait, not that one. You're that one. Oh my god, I was get that one. Yeah. You can put it right there.
I put it like. Are you there, Karen?
Yeah. But just put, they know how to do the TikTok, so.
Yeah.
Aisha, is that good how he set it up? Is that good? Okay.
Our friends that are girls make us do TikToks with them all the time. So like our first time actually like doing it with
Really? So you already know how to do it?
No, we barely know it.
Wait, did you guys do dance? I'm literally like you.
Hey, we're doing a dance. Pick the dance.
Yeah, it's there, but I'm gonna wait for it.
What are you doing?
It's the. You guys want to do that?
Good. Go ahead.
Yeah, we have to make it live. Do you guys want to go first?
You go first.
So you guys have to go first. It's like, you have to like
One of you guys go first?
No, you guys have to go first. So like, then you know we're like.
You go first, I go next.
Hey, what do I do? I go
Wait, there's 3 or 4. We could go as like 2.
one.
But you need to make it longer.
Yo, why am I doing this?
Not me.
Josh, I figured it out.
Yeah, one of us will go with y'all so you can try to see it.
Can I go with one of you guys?
Just got us two.
Wait, so 2, 2.
3.
So
Me, you, one of them.
yeah. Which one do that? 3, 2, 2.
3, 2, 3, 2. Alright, go ahead.
So, set the timer, it goes like this, right? Oh, it's the same I made my food. I thank you
Hey,
guys.
there you go.
Hey, my sister wants to see
I'm sure. Who do you want? Is it sticky? It's like magnetic. You know, like the MagSafe. I'm scared it's gonna fall down. Can you hold it for me?
I'll put that shit on my account. I have it right in my smile.
How do I save it? How do I save it?
Alright, you guys are good.
Thank you. It was nice meeting you. Thank you. I'm in the middle.
ثبت عليك يا سبت يلا تعال ثبت عليه السبك ثبت عليه مبدئيا شوف يا اخوي يلا تصور يلا 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 يا عمري
I definitely do watch when I'm tired.
Thanks so much.
Wait, so there's a lot behind camera that's going to be, but that is something that I like to keep private because that's like my little life.
What are some controversial takes?
Pineapple on pizza.
What about you?
That it doesn't belong there, right?
What about you? You got any controversial takes?
You guys would suck.
Wait, what?
That's crazy.
What'd you do?
She said Jujutsu Kaisen sucks.
Yeah, Jujutsu Kaisen sucks, and I stand on that.
Well, what do you guys think about Nick Naracina? Nick Naracina, he fell in love with Discovery. You know? Guys, can I ask you guys some controversial
Maybe that like One Piece isn't as good as a lot of
No, she didn't.
Oh,
She's dissing my favorite anime.
I'm not dissing it. I'm just saying it.
Oh, it's okay. I just Jujutsu Kaisen. I said Jujutsu Kaisen sucks.
I graduated, but I just
Yeah, we beef it tonight.
We're beef. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I only watch Jujutsu Kaisen for Gojo. Literally.
But what do you guys think about Nick Naracina? You don't know Nick Naracina? Oh. What's I think that's it.
This time Jojo's out.
Review interview.
I said pineapple.
Wait, that's really good. That's
It was pretty good. Like, what about you? Amazing. That's great. You guys should we should. Yo, it's so crazy. Yes.
Like I feel like everyone would love to see Should we just like show you back here? A little bit back. She's gonna move back.
Thank you. That's so sweet. Almost? Okay. You're awesome. Thank you. This is like, I want to say this is my sixth time being here. My sixth time being here, my first time being right here. I've never been on Rodeo Drive yet. Yeah, no, I always stay in West Hollywood, like right there on Sunset. I say the one. But this is awesome. I love it here.
I can't hear it. Sorry. And make the sound longer. That's
Oh, no, you can't.
I just love the music, so it's like, oh yeah, it's just weird. Oh yeah. What's here? I like it.
Oh, I need to think about that. There's animals. That's really sad. I know. Yeah, no, I see why you went to buy a weed. Thank you. Yes. Thank you. You're pretty in person. We love your video. We feel like watching stuff like
Right here, just make. Well, I think I'm about to move to a different location.
Like you're my favorite influencer.
I mean, they could if they want to make it. I mean, if they want to like.
and y'all are so cute right now. Like, once we saw you guys were like here, we were like, oh my goodness, we need to go to Rodeo. And I like asked my mom, like, can we like go to this?
Like,
Where's she?
like right now, she just put the art.
I would have to go there. I feel like.
How was there?
No, we were never like, we have security. Wait, can we're always learning, so it's just literally just once it.
And I've been like,
Can I ask why my mom? I can't really make a technically. I retired from the bond. Yeah. Technically, I just honestly, I still love my house, but I kind of want to like venture into my own path. Yeah. I just want to see what I can do. Sorry that everyone's recording. Oh, I didn't even know it. I didn't even know it. I was just like mid conversation, so I didn't. Like it. Oh, hell yeah.
oh, it's live?
Oh, it's hey guys. I like to see that you guys are actually.
Well, thank you. I was like, we're kind of like, it's not my podcast. We're like, TikTok, yeah. Whose account is this?
This is framed.
Mine.
They asked us this.
Oh yeah, you guys could, if you guys want to post it on your page, we could make.
Everyone says, but then stores and like maybe some restaurants.
I heard someone say that.
I mean, we could, if you guys want to make a TikTok on your page, we could definitely make it on yours.
Not on your page.
I mean, I guess. Fuck it.
She said yes.
Yeah, just go.
I wish.
Okay, yeah, it's gonna be the simplest one. It's the easiest dance.
That's so awesome. I'm doing circular lines.
We could do circle. Or should it be line?
Mine is probably
Okay, line is probably easier.
It's nice, but also
it's nice. But it's
yeah, it's definitely that is true. That is the main reason at the end of the day. That is the main reason. Oh, the chocolate! That's chocolate. Yeah! Wait, let's
You first try is crazy. I'm so proud.
So whose account does that one go to?
Mine.
Yours. Okay. Alina Rose. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
What happened? She's tagging us. She's tagging us. Oh my.
Are you gonna post
I
it
will
now?
tag in advance so I don't forget. What is it?
You go, then I'll go.
I don't know when I'm gonna post it, but when I do.
Can you please post it?
Yes, I will. I swear.
And Josh. Josh. 2 underscores.
Very good.
Bro, should we do the interview now? Should we do it?
Ava, I like your new shoes.
Thank you.
Got the Travis Scotts. That's what those are, right?
Yeah, we just got them at Cool Kicks. We did a video with Cool Kicks.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay, I was gonna say that I love the fit. I love like the whole style and everything. So you like just got them.
Yeah, I made the basket, so I got the free shoes.
They should have just gave them to you anyway.
Well, I had to show them that I could make it.
That's right. What have you been up to? Anything like crazy or like what's going on? Because I see all your TikToks, but like, what have you been doing like off screen?
Off screen?
Or like off camera?
Off camera, I just chill a lot with my cat.
Like, okay, Taylor Swift.
Not that again.
Not that. Okay. So you just chill. Like, are you one of those that like buys cars and all that all the time, or because I know the other ones are like, oh, I just bought a new.
I have cars that I like.
But
yeah.
Okay, all right. Oh, you got to jump in the line again.
Oh, no, I don't think
How many TikToks do you guys make a day?
A lot.
A lot.
I can't even keep track.
Really? How do you know if it's a good one or a bad one? Do you watch them and rate them, or does someone else rate them, or like how do you tell?
We usually just watch it back once when we make it, and if everyone likes it, we keep it, and if everyone doesn't, we redo it.
Then you redo it. Okay, all right. Are y'all gonna be? Didn't y'all had like wigs and stuff last time? Like y'all all had different color wigs. Are you doing anything like that again, or?
Maybe that was fun. Those were funny videos.
That was a good one. I like that too. So.
What?
Miami?
No, she's here in LA somewhere. I just don't know. Sorry.
My best friend.
So she's your best friend from where now?
She lives here.
She lives here.
In LA, yeah.
Okay, so you met her in LA, and she might be. And what was your name again for the fans that don't know?
Eileen.
Eileen. What's your social media?
My Instagram is baby Eileen, and my TikTok is he loves Eileen.
All right, and so she might be the new Bop House member. This like an exclusive.
I mean, we all have to decide as a group.
Okay.
But I feel like she already has my vote. I would love for her to join the Bop House.
So what happens if it's like an even amount? Is there an even amount of girls, or like, do y'all ever get gridlocked on who it should be?
I don't know. We've never done a Bop House audition, so.
Oh, so it's the first one.
This would be the first one, yeah.
Okay, all right, okay.
So I'm excited to see how it's gonna turn out, because I'm like, what if one of us wants a girl so bad and like, you know.
And the other's like, nah, I'm not feeling it. Then I might have to have like a Bop House fight or something.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, all right, well, cool. So we got a contestant right here. So, all right, sounds good. Well, good to see that.
Would you like to join the Bop House auditions yourself? I think you would be a great audition.
I'll be a judge.
Oh, a judge?
A judge, and I'll have like the cards with the numbers, and I'll hold like the numbers up.
That's fun. Hell yeah.
But in the house, I'm not the best TikToker, to be honest, so I might mess up the dances. And
I mean, we all mess up here and there. You know?
Is that just part of it?
Yeah, it's part of it.
We
like do a couple of takes. Like we do like a good 100 takes per TikTok.
100?
No, I'm just kidding.
Okay, Ava said it was a lot, but I didn't know it was that many.
Yeah,
so
crazy.
Okay, here we go again.
Hell yeah.
It didn't go. No, I'm gonna draft it and then we're gonna do it again.
What happened? It didn't go fully.
Alright, ready? Yeah.
Was it we're supposed to next to go to the world? You just gotta cut it.
Oh, sorry. Of course. I hope you like it.
Look, she wants to Did you tag him? Did you tag her?
And you have to follow her too. You followed her? Okay.
Follow me now?
Follow you.
No, I'll repost your video.
No, we put it on private.
Yeah, that's so cute.
I don't post anything on private. I follow you. Can you follow me back? Can you follow me back?
I can't. I'm not allowed to.
Sophie.
She did?
Oh, can I see your watch? Oh, that's actually tight.
I'm not logging into my account on my phone right now.
10 minutes drive.
We all got to say. It was nice meeting you. It's nice here.
You guys live in Miami, right?
Wait, can we do an interview with you guys?
Yeah. Sit in interview.
You guys do that?
Where's this going?
I don't know.
I'll post it.
This going in your private phone files? You know.
Yeah.
That's fine. Go ahead.
I don't care.
Alright, what's your name?
I'm Josh off there.
Ethan Zachary.
I'm Sophie Rain. Aisha Sophie.
You asked the question. What's your guys' name and occupation?
I'm Aisha Sophie. I'm Sophie Rain.
And what's your occupations?
TikTok. I'm a Pop House member.
What's your guys'
What's your occupation?
At what age did you guys start posting media? Like on TikTok?
18.
How did you start TikTok to be able to build such a big fan base?
Consistency. Yeah. It's all about consistency. You gotta post all the time. I didn't start doing well until I was posting like multiple times a day every day.
Egu.
What's your guys' favorite tattoos?
My favorite is this one. Mind over matter is a very important message to everyone.
Do you have any tattoos?
I personally do not, but I just will represent her. Very nice. I like this one. This says we'll be alright. Terry
Those are
Styles.
the only two that you guys have?
No, I got this one, this one, this one, this one down here.
Have you ever met Harry Styles before?
No, but I was so close to meeting him.
Really?
So close. We like went like this in Tokyo.
He needs to get it together. Then he's missing out.
No, he's missing out. Harry Styles.
I know, right?
Back on track.
Okay, yeah. So anyway,
Live on what?
Instagram. TikTok live.
you know Drake DM'd her.
Oh, that ass?
Dead ass.
Who, wait, who's the most famous one to say how your phone?
Drake.
Did you call it?
No, I'm not gonna follow him.
I think he's on a tour right now.
Oh, yeah. Wait, what about you? Who's your most
What?
favorite
Like
contact on your phone?
her. Wow.
Other than anyone that's here.
My mom.
Do you have Camila's phone number?
I do.
Can you call her?
She's a
Ask a question. Last one.
What age do you guys think you'll stop posting social media?
70.
What about you?
Honestly, I don't know. I haven't thought about that yet. Probably 70. That sounds good. Yeah.
You guys have any future tattoo ideas that you're gonna get? Bro.
Do y'all have tattoos?
Oh, yeah, you have tattoos?
Yeah, tell me about it.
Oh, yeah. So I tattooed a picture of his girlfriend's name on his ass.
A picture of his girlfriend.
Like, yeah, like a picture of his girlfriend.
That's really
Thank you.
Of course. Very nice. Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you. Yes. Of course.
What's up, Tegan?
What's up, Tegan? How are you?
I ended it. Do it again.
Hi, Tegan. How are you?
Thank you. Okay, and also, like, we want to make a TikTok, but we don't know what to do. Like, yeah, we're out of ideas.
Y'all all want to be in one?
Yeah, like
together?
all of us.
Do you want the entire Pop House?
Do it with all of you guys. Yeah. Like something,
Yeah, something.
not like professional dancers, you know.
Yeah, no, trust me, the easier ones are. We can do this one again. This sound. Instead of just spinning, like we can all walk to the camera and then walk out of the camera, kind of like that same but just different sound. We love the Ball House.
Yes.
What's up, Dad? Oh, we love the Ball House. Hello. Oh. Ball House. I'm talking about in it. Ball House. But the one, I mean, this one.
It was like a line of people, I think.
It's gonna go on YouTube.
That one. This one. Like, what's this one?
Are you guys making any new TikToks?
Well, we make new TikToks every day.
We're like right now. Is that what you're working on?
No, but we.
You still want to go to Taco Bell?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, that's waiting to go to Taco Bell right now. All right, I think she's about to make another one. Let me see.
Are you posting this? Should I?
It's just us
I'll
walking
look
through
you posted it. If you want to go first, I'll post it.
Wait, are we all doing the same thing?
Yeah, no, yeah, we're all doing the same thing.
Wait, we gotta be like mixed in between the girls.
Right.
If you guys post something, I'll repost it.
Yeah?
Oh, okay.
What do you say?
He said they're reposting it if you post it.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Yes. We can do that. As soon as she's done, I'll give this back.
Do you want to join in too?
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, is it good?
So,
You should go first. Me first?
so like this. And then just everyone goes through in a line.
Yeah, sure.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Did y'all want to pair up or single?
Do singles, because no, wait. You think there's enough time?
Yeah. It's 25.
Yeah, what about like right here?
I do have enough time. Yeah.
Like, that's
Like
when
we all do it right at the end, like if we cut it.
How do we cut it and then we go and do a...
How do you bring
So this is
a little more?
Where that beat drop.
A little more?
Like,
Alright, like started.
You want it to start there?
yeah, that's where it is in all the other TikToks.
Okay, hang on.
Oh yeah.
Izzy. You gotta go out someday.
Yeah, right there.
Right here?
Love the way you... Are we going group 6 too?
Yeah. Whatever you want.
Alright, yeah, that's fine.
Who's going first?
It's your TikTok. You should go out with this.
You want me to do it?
Yeah, sure.
We're gonna do it next year. It's just walking to the camera doing it. And then walking out. Okay. You know what I Hey! Hell yeah.
Thank you. Thank you guys.
Of course. Thank you guys. Here, I'll give this back. I'm so sorry. Do you guys want to be in it? Yes. Okay.
Just take the photos and then.
Oh,
Can we say hi to the live? Can we say hi?
you don't want to? I love it. Thank you so much.
We love the ball house. Ball house. Ball house. Ball house. Ball house.
Hey, keep going. Ball house.
Ball house. Ball house. Ball house.
Okay, yeah. Okay, do you guys want to be in it? Whoever wants to be in it. No, this is a blue list. Well, this is Joe. They're trying to. Do you want to get in it?
Okay, who's gonna go first? Wait, what is it?
Outfit check? Yeah, you should go first. Oh, they have to. Alright, so we are here on Rodeo Drive. We're going to do an outfit check. These are American Eagle, Addicted, Miu Miu, and Louis Vuitton.
Somewhere from Turkey. 7 for all mankind. Somewhere. Yeah.
Hell yeah. Yeah.
Brandy and Birkenstock. Skims, and I don't know. And Brandy, Zara, and a different country.
Yay! I got Louis Vuitton, Diesel. I think these are Amazon, honestly. Babe, and that's it.
Yay! Ball house!
Thank you. Of course. Hi, it's so nice. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, I didn't want to bother you. I'm so sorry. Did I step on your side? I'm so sorry. You're beautiful. They can really go.
If you guys put your ass.
Will you guys take your photo? Yeah. We're in front of Lauren, do you want to get in? Will you type in your ad? Okay, before you leave, just type in your ad real quick.
If I post it, will you post it?
Yeah, we'll repost it. I'll repost it.
Alright.
Alright, come this way. I got you. This is a memory. I don't know what that is, but this is. Sorry, I'm tagging everyone.
So I'll just say hi to my brother.
Yeah.
His name's Nick.
Oh man, I can't type for shit.
Hi, Nick.
Yeah,
I'm with your brother here. Thank you so much for your support. Love you.
Thank you.
Yes, of course.
Alright, so I'll just post it.
Yeah, because it'll pop up and I'll see it.
Great.
Thank you guys so much. Thank you.